This is going to show you how to make images using Canva. So you'll navigate over to canva.com and log in using the email and password provided. And then you can either navigate down to all your designs, or if we're making a new graphic, you can scroll over to what it is you're looking for, so social media or whatever. For this instance, we're going to go to all your designs. We're working on our flash sale images right now, and we're going to use this first template. Once it populates, you're going to see the backgrounds and all the things on there. So we'll have a list in your task for each week with what products you need to do, and you can refer to that for which products to put in and which pricing and so on and so forth. So we'll move down to our next available one. If you get to the bottom and there's no more pages, all you have to do is hit this little plus and it's going to duplicate another slide and you can edit however you need to. So for instance, we'll go ahead and duplicate this one so it has everything you need to go ahead and edit. We're going to delete the photo. We're going to click on it and hit that delete button. And to get the next product, you would go to our Google Drive. Then you're going to move over to where it says shared with me and products with transparent backgrounds. And you'll scroll until you find the product that we're looking for. Let's say we're going to use AMP. So we'll click on AMP. You can move it and position it wherever you'd like to on the page as long as it's visible. It doesn't matter if it's left, right, center. I'm pretty easy as long as it's there. We'll change the product name up top to AMP. AMP. And then you're going to move over to the website. So you're going to go to pureromance.com. And once you're in pureromance.com, we can search for the product we need. We'll navigate to AMP. Once that loads, we can pull it up. And where the product description comes up, you're going to go ahead and copy your first or second sentence. Normally it's your first. Sometimes you need some more information. You can go ahead and copy the second. We'll edit this part of the text box and paste in what we just got from the website. And then you can move it around however you need to so that it's visible on there. You just want to make sure all the letters are visible and it's easy to read. If you need to change the color of the font, you can come up here to do that. You can change the sizing or the font style itself. And then you'll go ahead down here and you'll change it to the price listed on our task for the week. And this one's going to be $21. When you're ready for your next one, we'll move the price over again so it's visible where we need it to be. It's easy to be seen. And then you can move it up, down, left, right, again, wherever, as long as it's visible and easy to be read. I'll go in and edit them later if I need to. And then again, to do your next one, you just hit that little plus button to duplicate the page and go in and move to the next product on the list. If you're searching for a product, you can use the search bar up here and it'll come and pull up whatever's in the Google file under that name as well. So you can either scroll, or you can just go straight to that Google Drive, shared with me, products with transparent, and it'll pull up everything here. And you can go in and do that. And again, to get the product information, you're just going to pureromance.com and copying that first sentence to put in. All your pricing information is going to be in your task document, so make sure you're looking in that notes section for what you need to do for the week.